Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make reposts public on TikTok. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, launch your TikTok application. Then go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the repost button right there. And as you can see, videos or reposts are visible to your friends. Okay, so if you want to make it on the public, just go ahead and click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Privacy and scroll down. And if it is available on your country, you should see the repost section. Okay, but as you can see here on my device, I don't have the repost section. So if you have it, just go ahead and click on it and select everyone. Okay, and once you've done that, that should make your repost public on TikTok. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss the video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!